Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a sweet potato with milk. A lot of Haitian people love to eat this. It's called patat raclette. So actually this one is boniato. So it's not the sweet potato, the orange color one. It's this one is more like a whitish color. So you have to boil it first, and after that you peel it, then you could just cut it like into small chunks like this. Seems like I left the skin on this one. Yeah, make sure you take off the skin, and it won't kill you. It has a lot of minerals, so it's no big deal. You can add a little bit of sugar if you want, but I'm eating it at night and the sweet potato is already sweet, so I don't need to add any more sugar. It's very delicious. It's warm and yummy.